Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really easy hat hairstyle that you can not only do with a beret, but any of your baseball caps or trucker hats. Simple hat hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get into it. So splitting my hair down the middle with just my finger, I didn't care about the parting being perfect just because I'm going to have a hat on. So that's what the back looks like. And then I took a piece from the other side and brought it over so that I can have that side part effect when I have the hat on, and took out some little side pieces. I like to use two thinner elastics for this, and grabbing it as if I'm gonna do a ponytail, pulling that through, and then stopping right about here, twisting the hair tie and just grabbing the hair. There's no specific way to grab it. You just grab it and kind of do a little low messy bun. As I pulled it through and wrapped it around again, I think I wrapped it around like 2-3 times, and then tugging at it just so it can have a fuller effect to it. Again, on the other side, pulling it through halfway, wrapping the hair tie around and pulling through on the other side with no serious steps to it, just making a messy bun. And now for the fun part, adding this super fun beret. I got this beret in like 2022 from Anthropologie. I'm not able to find it, so I wasn't able to link it for you guys, but I'm sure you can look up Sherpa beret and I'm sure something will come up similar to it. I took my water bottle just to finger curl those side pieces, and I do show it a little slower on the other side, so if you're unsure on how to finger curl, I got you here in just a second, girly. It's honestly so easy. Just grab that piece of hair, make sure it's nice and wet. If you like to have product or you need product, that's totally fine. But I just get mine wet, take my fingers to the bottom of my hair, grab the end of the hair, loop it up, and then the finger that's at the bottom, you're going to just start putting that above the other finger and twirling as you go. And once you get to the top, remove one of the fingers and simply uncurl it. For this bigger section, I decided to just wet it and scrunch it up just because it's bigger, so it has more of a chance to curl on its own. And I just think sometimes finger curls in bigger sections can look weird or forced, so this ended up working for me in the end. I hope that this easy tutorial helped you guys at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.